Too lazy to start? Overthinking every small task? Let me share a rule so simple, you'll want to try it right now. It's called the 5-minute rule. The idea is simple. If something feels hard, boring, or overwhelming, tell yourself, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. That's it. Our brain hates big tasks, but 5 minutes? That feels easy. Once you start, you usually don't stop. That's the magic. Starting is the hardest part. Can't study? Open the book for just 5 minutes. Need to clean? Just 5 minutes. This rule removes pressure and gets you moving, slowly but surely. Set a 5-minute timer. Play calming music. Tell yourself it's only 5 minutes. Most of the time, you'll want to continue even after the timer ends. Builds habits. It breaks mental resistance. So the next time you're stuck, try just 5 minutes. You'll thank yourself later. Comment, I'll try, if you're ready to break laziness with the easiest trick ever. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs it.